This video is for anybody having problems with their turn signals. You may have noticed one's turning rapidly and the other one is normal. So we'll take a look. This should be good for a lot of different Ford vehicles, but this one specifically is a Ford F-150 2014 version. So this is normal turn signal. Notice the frequency at which it blinks. And this may be happening to you, may have just happened, may be intermittent and then become more steady. We'll show you how to fix this and how to make it right. Here are the two turn signals for comparison. Go outside the vehicle while using the turn signals to find which light is burnt out. You'll notice the top light is not indicating. That's the one that's burnt out. The other side works fine. Could be the front, could be the back. This is why you do your walk around test. Burnt out on the left top. Pump the brakes. Doesn't turn on with the brakes either. Once you've figured out which light needs replacing, figure out how to remove that light assembly from the vehicle. Here we got 2 bolts we need to undo. Break out your socket set, figure out which socket fits on the nut, take it off. Pull out the light assembly. Don't worry about that cracking noise. Those are just the tabs coming out. Perfectly normal vehicle noise. Go to your local auto parts store. Tell them the make, model, and year of your vehicle. They'll set you up with some light bulbs. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old bulb and the new bulb. Notice the old bulb has that burnt section, the brown section on the bulb. The new bulb has these 2 filaments. Both need to be working in order for the turn signals and the brakes to work. The old bulb, one of those filaments was burnt out. When you're using the new bulb and putting it in, do not touch it with your hands. You got oil and gunk on your hands, whether you've just been eating ice cream or whatever, changing the oil on your vehicle or cooking a salad, making a salad. Don't touch the bulb. The oils from your hand are going to reflect the heat of the light inside the light bulb and burn the filament out faster. So keep it clean. Use a cloth, use a paper towel, use a Kleenex, whatever. Move these tabs, line the tabs up back into their appropriate holes, and give it a good smash to get it back in. Perfectly normal truck sounds. Before final reinstallation, go into your vehicle, pump the brakes, turn on the turn signal, make sure that light bulb was installed and works properly. And now, both sides should have the same cadence with the signal.
Easy.